Welcome to your new favorite kitchen accessory, the RoseHot 2-tiered tray featuring rustic farmhouse charm with distressed dark wood. This versatile tray is perfect for displaying desserts, sandwiches, fruits, or cupcakes at any gathering, adding both practicality and style. Assembly is quick and effortless, requiring no tools and taking less than a minute to set up. Its spacious design creates ample room between tiers, maximizing display flexibility while maintaining stability. The tray's size is similar to a dinner plate, making it an ideal fit for any table or island. Its timeless farmhouse style adapts beautifully to all seasons and holidays, serving as a decorative centerpiece year-round. Elevate your home decor and entertaining with this charming and functional 2-tiered wooden tray. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.